Nice.
Hold on.
Oh, there's no.
What?
There's no like squirt thing.
Oh, it's automatic.
Yeah, you're done. You're done. Fries. You like the water?
I like the water. I want to sit in the water.
Me too. How was your journey?
Our journey up the mountain was very excruciating pain.
Yeah, bro. I understand. And I had a breakdown before we made it to the top.
I was after Booby and something.
Wait,
Booby and accident.
yeah. Until I got pregnant.
Alright.
Okay.
Damn!
So that means you have to take 2 drinks.
Bitch, stop.
Mine's not lit up.
I love the freaking stickers on there. They got the hot dog, they got the burger, they got the fries, they got the pizza.
The pizza.
driver. Okay, that was pretty good.
That was really good. Oh, that was close.
When you cook it like that, it gets so soft in the middle. I feel like when you just burn it, it gets crispy on the
Freaking huge bear.
Ready?
Nice.
Duke them out, duke them out, duke them out. Come for it, come for it, come for it, come for it.
Go. Oh my god, there's a bear. Yeah, there's a real fucking bear right there. Okay, yep. I got it. What's your marshmallow, girl?
Please remember who I am and don't say any fancy shit.
I'm not gonna say any fancy shit.